This is for my people in class. They wanted me to go over boots on the ground and something that they can look at on our channel. So I'm going to go over this dance right quick. Hopefully y'all can catch it. If not, rewind it back and bring it back to you because we got you. All right. Just keep tuning in. All right. So I'm going to start over here from the back. So the first part of the dance is going to be a right, left, a double right. So it's right, left, double on the right, left, right, double on the left. So all I'm doing is just doing right, left with us, like a little march and a left, right, about my. All right. Y'all got this. Come on. Turn around. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7 on the right foot. Right, left. 1, 2, 3. And the left, right. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, you don't have to kick your feet up high. But if you choose to, you can. We keep it low and keep it smooth. All right. Keep it smooth. That's what the line dancers do. All right. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7 on the right foot. Right, left. 1, 2, 3. And left, right. 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. All right. So the next move. Say it out loud with me. Say it out loud with me. This you will never forget. You'll keep doing it over and over again. In your head, you're going to have nightmares. So this is what you do. You're going to go front, side, back, side. Okay. When I'm saying front side, I'm just bringing my right foot forward. So all starting on the right. Front, side, back, side. All right. Say it with me. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. It's a front, side, back, side. With that right leg being out. All right. Rewind it. Say it again 50 times. You'll get it. All right. All right. So let's move on to the next move. So after you do that, front, side, back, side, then you want to cross out, cross out. Now, you don't have to cross like this. I'm coming a little where you see my feet. You don't have to cross like this and then out. What I want you to do is step forward with it. Cross out. See, I'm just stepping forward. That makes it easier because if not, you're going to trip up. All right. So let's do that. So we go out. Your right foot is out. So I'm cross out, cross out. All right. So let's add that all together. Add all together from the top. All right. 5, 6, 7, right, left. It's a right, left with a double on the right and a left, right, double on the left. Front, side, back, side, and we cross out and we cross out. All right. If your right leg ain't out, then you ain't doing it right. Your right leg need to be out. Everything starts on the right. So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. It's a right, left, a 1, 2, 3, and a left, right, front, side, back, side. We cross out and we cross out. We are almost done. Getting ready to the good part that everybody want to. That part. We get into that part real soon. All right. So we did our cross out, cross out. Your right leg is out. Now, I tell people the first turn we're going to do is where our right shoulder is. It's a quarter turn. If you got a piece of pie and you got 4 pieces, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter. And half is going to be on the other side. But we worry about that. So we're going to rock up with the right foot and you're going to do a cha-cha-cha quarter turn. All right. So let's do that then. We rock up, turn, cha-cha-cha. All right. One more time. Rock up with the right with a cha-cha turn. Okay. So we here. Now, as you know, we got to get to our back. All right. But we're going to worry about them. And let's do the front side and we're going to add all that in. All right. So let's do this. 5, 6, 7 front side. It's a front side and a back side. And we cross it out. Cross it out. Rock up, quarter turn, cha-cha-cha. If you ain't this way, then you wrong. You dead ass wrong. Oops, sorry. You wrong. So let's do this again. All right. Well, you know what? Let's not do it again. Just rewind it back because we got that. But you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. 5, 6, 7 front side. It's a front side, back side. Then we cross it out, rock up, quarter turn, cha-cha-cha. All right, cool. So now you got to get to the back. You got to get back on the way. I tell people that's a half turn is to our back. Because if I'm in the front here, that's half. But we're not losing our right this time. We're going to use the left. Okay, so we're going to rock up with the left, cha, cha, cha. It's still 3 turns. You just got to do a half instead of a quarter, right? So we rock up with the left and a cha, cha, cha. All right. So let's do the front side and we're going to add those 2 turns. And we're going to finish it up and then we done after that. I promise you. Let me move this over a little bit. I might have to move it more, but anyway, let's do this again. 5, 6, front side. Let's go. Front, side, back, side. Then we cross out, rock up, quarter turn with a cha, cha, cha. Rock up, left turn, cha, cha, cha. Hey. So you know what? We're going to do something. Because the turning part is probably the worst, hardest part to this dance. It's the hardest part to this dance. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to do that quarter half, but we're going to do it on each wall, all 4 walls, because that's what we got to do. But I want you to be familiar. Always know your quarter turn is following your right shoulder. The half turn is following your back. All right. So let's do it on all 4 walls. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, rock it up with a quarter turn, rock, cha, cha, rock up with the left half turn, rock up with the right quarter turn, rock up with the left half turn, rock up quarter turn with the right, left up half turn, 1, 2, rock up quarter turn, and rock up half turn, cha, cha, cha. Hey, y'all got that. Just send that back in there and rewind it back at that spot or something. All right. So let's finish it up. So we rock up with a cha, 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 rock up, half turn. We're going to finish it. Y'all know this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we pat, 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 pat. Everybody know that part of the dance, but you're walking up 4. For those who don't know it, you walk up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right, left. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we pat, 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 pat. Then we start the dance all over again. All right. So let's do the full thing. And then somehow I'm going to have to pause this and we're going to put some music on and we're going to do the dance together. At least half of the dance. I ain't doing the whole dance. All right. So let's go. 5, 6 from the top. Let's go. It's a right, left, double on the right and the left, right, double front, side, back, side. Then we cross out, rock up, quarter turn, cha, 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 rock up, half turn, walk it up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pat, 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 right, left. It's a right, left, 1, 2, 3, left, right, front side. Let's go. Front, side, back, side, and we cross out, rock up, quarter turn, cha, 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 rock up, half turn, walk it up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we pat, 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 pat. Last time, and right, left, 1, 2, 3, and left, right, front, side, back, side, and we cross out, rock up, quarter turn, cha, cha, rock up, half turn, walk it up 1, 2, 3, 4, and pat, 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 pat. Rewind it back. Subscribe to our channel, the A-Team. We're going to always have some instructionals here for you. We're going to have some footwork here for you. So tune in, share it, give it to your friend and say, hey, she did it for us. So go on, get this dance done. I'm tired of it now. I'm tired.